Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. I'm down in my utility room today, but that's because that's where my deep freeze is. And I was just cleaning it out last night, and I just was like, I love when I go in my deep freeze and it is so full of food that I grew myself. So I'm going to show you something. This is my little list that I keep on the top of the deep freeze. Great tip. I always just keep a whiteboard marker and a list of everything that's in my freezer. And other than a couple of things of frozen treats on this side, everything from right here all the way up to here is all out of my garden. And that's just fabulous. Makes me so happy. Check it out. Look at this. Well, okay, maybe not out of my garden. Some of it's out of my mom's, I guess, because the raspberries are from her house. And so are the Saskatoon berries. But I have cherries out of my own garden, rhubarb from my own garden, bags of strawberries from my own garden, apples from my own garden. There's a whole bunch of tomato sauce and bags of tomatoes down there from my garden. There's zucchini, shredded carrots. Sorry, the light in my freezer isn't working right now. Lots down here and more in my freezer upstairs. Check this out. Tomatoes that I dehydrated. Peppers, celery, more peppers. This is cauliflower, a couple bags of broccoli. More peppers, some beans back here. I think we've eaten all the peas. That doesn't even include all the things that I've put up and have canned in my canning cupboard. So I have like cans of like all sorts of pickles, like pickled cucumbers and pickled peppers, and I have like pepper jellies, I have like salsas, and I have tomato sauces up there that are canned. I don't even know what all I have up there right now, but I love it. So put it in the comments down below. What do you think? Do you just love that feeling of knowing that most of what you have stored away came from your own produce that you grew yourself? It's, I think, a wonderful feeling to know exactly where the food I'm eating is coming from. So if you like it, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.